Welcome to V-Skills. Today we will learn about what is Six Sigma. Six Sigma actually has several different facets to its meaning. First, if we look simply at the term Six Sigma, Sigma represents standard deviation, which is a universally accepted metric that allows us to calculate how much variability there is within a process, and then we can use this information to determine if that process is able to stay within established quality limits that have been set by the customer. Second, organizations use Sigma as a way then to measure the quality and performance of their processes. The Sigma scale measures defects per million opportunities, or DPMO. And Six Sigma equates to 3.4 defects per million opportunities, which is an extremely high level of quality. In addition to being a metric, Six Sigma is also a 5-phase continuous improvement methodology. The methodology follows the define, measure, analyze, improve, and control, or it's called by its acronym, DMAIC methodology. And this methodology focuses on identifying improvement opportunities, analyzing the current processes, then finding different improvement solutions and implementing those solutions, and then finally maintaining control of those improvements. Six Sigma is also an organizational system that's used at a strategic level. Six Sigma is more than a set of metric-based problem-solving and process improvement methodologies. It's a continuous business improvement process that focuses on 4 key areas, and those are understanding customer improvements, analyzing those current products and services, and then aligning those current processes to achieve those customers' requirements, and then finally, ensuring stability and sustainability of the quality in the processes.